Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX, massive blue brick. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees, so do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $70 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $149 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Stellar. Anyways, folks, let's see what's happening with the SHX community, the official handles, and if we can find something interesting. So let's check what's happening. So let's start with the Stronghold community to see what's happening. This is from Crypto Mentality. For all the people that spread FUD and say SHX is not ISO compliant, or that Stronghold will never make it on major exchanges, or that it will never reach $1. SHX is the most slept on asset in 2024, in my honest opinion. You will never see these prices again in 2025. If you know, you know. So according to Mr. Crypto Mentality, that Stronghold is indeed going to be huge. It is sort of a gem. Look at this. Hold strong. Let's hope that he's right. Single day implementation strategy, flip of the switch. Everyone says that it's going to be a flip of a switch, but I think that mass adoption will take time. If it is to happen, it is going to be a slow and steady growth. People are states and governments, they will abide by the law and adopt blockchain, these new technologies and use cases, solutions. I think it will take a while. Look at this. FedWire Funds Service ISO 20022 Implementation Center. Although implementation, it might happen in 2025 or whenever, but I think still after implementation, even the mass adoption is going to be taking a while. It is not going to be, it might be a flip of the switch moment. We never know. Obviously, we've seen crazier stuff, but I think that this is going to be a slow and gradual process. But obviously, this is just me. Anything can happen. Look at this. FRFS will adopt the ISO 20022 message format for the wet wire funds service in a single day implementation strategy on March 10th, 2025. With this implementation, we will sunset the existing proprietary FedWire application interface manual FAIM format and replace all FAIM messages with ISO 20022 messages. By the way, Stronghold also has ISO the 20022 labs intact. Look at this. This is from official handle. Stronghold says that ISO 20022 not only improves customer satisfaction through instant service, but also enhances security and reduces financial risks for providers. Let me open this up. Okay, so let me pause this. Yeah. ISO 20022 telco providers can instantly receive payments and remittance data from prepaid mobile users and instantly credit prepaid minutes without the risk of fraudulent payments or stolen credit cards. Learn the benefits of ISO 20022 at 20022labs.com use cases. We've been through this before. You can check this out, the use cases of ISO 20022. Here at 20022 Labs. Let's see this video over here from the official handle. Okay, so 20022 Labs presents ISO 20022 use cases. By the way, if it weren't relevant to Stronghold, I do not think that the team or the official handle would have been posting it. Yeah, some might say that they're posting it randomly, but I think that there might be much more to it than just merely posting it, because they also are deeply involved with the 20022 Labs as well. How to improve, just a moment, yeah, how to improve prepaid mobile. ISO 20022 is the best way to optimize prepaid mobile services. Receive payments and remittance data instantly from prepaid mobile users. Credit prepaid minutes immediately upon payment receipt. So this is how the ISO 20022 standard is changing the payments altogether. Significantly reduce the risk of fraudulent payments or stolen credit card usage. So this is a huge use case over here. ISO 20022 not only improves customer satisfaction through instant service, but also enhances security and reduces financial risks for providers. Obviously, security is something that everyone wants, be it businesses, be it institutions, be it individuals, be it whomever. Okay. Learn more about implementing ISO 20022 in your prepaid mobile business at 20022labs.com use cases. Awesome. So this is Stronghold official handle itself has posted about the ISO 20022 standard and how it is changing the game. Look at this 20 hours ago from Kaz. Coinbase holding 120 million SHX between two wallets. But I do not know if this wallet belongs to Coinbase or not. Let's see. Has anyone commented? Okay. Anyways, let's see what else do we have. SHX OGs is gonna make so much money on the coming supercycle pump that's just weeks away. Fade it at your own loss. I've stacked SHX with other OGs and are waiting for Trump to give clearance on all ISO 20022 coins that is made in USA. Once that happens, boom. We've discussed VELO and other projects that are focusing on Southeast Asia, Asia, and now the projects that are in USA, such as Constellation DAG. I will make a video about DAG. I made a video about DAG, so you can check that out as well. It is trying to change the game, and it is based on based on US. It is functioning from there. So if we get legal clarity in the USA, a clear framework, I think a lot of projects from USA are going to be doing really well, because we've got really great projects from USA. Stellar, SHX if it does good, Constellation, you can check that out as well. This is Green Knuckles. At the 9-minute mark, Stronghold Pay co-founder Sean Bennet explains how far back his relationship goes with Ripple. Also take a look at who is a member of the XRPL Grants Judging Committee. Are you awake yet? We're going to be looking at this video and the 9-minute mark in a moment. First, let's see what else do we have. What else do we have? Look at this. This is from Green Knuckles as well. Blue brick, blue brick, blue brick. Massive blue slab. We're close. The first blue brick in a bearable guy 123 post was after Ripple invested in 2020. Look at this. Okay. Yeah. This is the circle over here. Do not know why it is not zooming. You can check it out. You guys can zoom it out. Okay. Do not know why it has stopped. Anyways, a very intriguing detail spotted by Caleb Marshall 96. Anyways, yeah. Look at this. The significance of a purple brick road per grok. We know Tammy is a marketing savant. Marketing and branding catches my attention. The purple brick road leading to the castle, where that stronghold pay shade of blue brick slab is dead center. Folks, we have seen subliminal messages from the community of Ripple, from the community of Stellar, and now I'm seeing that in Stronghold as well. People are trying to build different symbolisms, basically, about Stronghold. So this is really interesting in my opinion, because obviously you need community to be active, you need community to have creative ideas, to have innovative ideas. So that is really good in my opinion, to be honest, because this shows that the community is active and there are and people are trying to read behind the lines as to what's happening. So this is good in my opinion, because it has done good for XRP, XLM, in a way that, yeah, people are engaged in what's happening and trying to come up with symbolisms. Obviously, a lot of people like it, a lot of people don't, to each their own. Anyways, let's see Green Knuckles 9-minute mark as well from this video. By the way, this from Working Money channel 1 year ago. So let's see in the 9-minute mark over here. Stronghold and SHX token, what they have to say.
Educate, all positive things for the XRP ledger. Wanted to thank the Wrath of Kahneman for posting that. This was an interesting partnership that I think slipped between the cracks. Did you guys know Stronghold is a Ripple partner? I've never heard of Stronghold. Confirmed. Ripple is an investor in Stronghold and the SHX token and invested in 2020. This coming from Thingol here on Twitter. The writing is on the wall. Stronghold are targeted domestic US payments and will support FEDNOW. So guys, check this out. A video clip from Stronghold. Listen to this.
Great question, because I do see a lot of talk about, how is Stronghold and Ripple, related. So I personally partnered back with Ripple back in 2014 and have, essentially worked with them ever since. So yes, Stronghold has worked with Ripple, and Ripple itself, Ripple Labs, is actually an investor in Stronghold. And they put that investment in, I think it was in 2020.
Tired of old school marketing tactics? Forget outdated email, cold calling, and SMS marketing. It's time to be.
So a strategic investor in a company that we have never heard of before, at least I have not heard of before, Stronghold, courtesy of Thingol here. So wanted to thank him for pointing that out. Here's the Thingol token. No, not the Thingol token, the Stronghold token, SHX, trading.
Okay, so at this point it was 0.002284. So anyway, just to catch some nostalgia, let's see this section as well. A bit of an old price action and what they're saying, because it has obviously killed a zero. It went on to kill the zero
at fraction of a penny right now, but I don't know, maybe something to look into. Don't know. Maybe something for the Patreon subscribers at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. I don't know yet. I haven't done any research on this, but just taking a look at this, Stronghold's mission is to provide fast, secure, and accessible financial services for all through our developer APIs. We enable access to legacy and next-generation payments and financial services. SHX Stronghold's currency is used for real-time settlement, discount, and fees for business customers, rewards, and merchant cash advances through decentralized finance. So an interesting objective here. I'm going to keep my eye on this project as well. Wanted to thank Thingol on Twitter for posting that.
So folks, what do you guys think about the massive blue brick, which is a Stronghold? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much everyone.